Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, serving as a major hub for international travelers. Navigating through the airport can be a daunting task, especially for those with connecting flights or in need of transfer services. In this guide, we will provide you with all the information you need to smoothly navigate Istanbul Airport and make use of the transfer services available. Upon arrival at Istanbul Airport, passengers can easily locate the transfer desks where friendly staff are ready to assist with any inquiries. Whether you are transferring to another flight or to a different mode of transportation, Istanbul Airport offers a variety of transfer services to cater to your needs. For passengers with connecting flights, Istanbul Airport provides free shuttle services between terminals, making it convenient and efficient to move between gates. Additionally, passengers can take advantage of the airport's baggage transfer services, ensuring that luggage is transferred to the connecting flight without any hassle. Traveling to the city center from Istanbul Airport is also made easy with the availability of various transportation options, such as taxis, buses, and car rentals. Passengers can easily find transportation services outside the airport terminal, providing a seamless transition from air travel to their final destination. Overall, navigating Istanbul Airport and utilizing transfer services is a straightforward process with the help of friendly staff and a variety of convenient services available. By following this guide, passengers can ensure a smooth and stress-free travel experience through Istanbul Airport.